Hey everybody, this is Kevin here with Ken's Sewing Center in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. Today I want to talk to you about the Koala 5-piece threaded notion box. Now these all have lockable lids on them. You're going to get 5 total boxes in this set. So when you place your order, all 5 of these will be coming to you. And this is a neat little item here because we're going to be able to open these up. We get 2 of these that are just alike for storing all of your notions. Pins, you can take all the tops of these off. There's places for bobbins, all kind of accessories and scissors. And then these open up and I got all this space here to store anything that I want to. You know, you sewers, quilters, embroiderers, you have all kind of accessories that we accumulate over the years, and we keep all that organized nice and neat. So I also have 3 of the thread boxes. Now these thread boxes have the spool pins inside of them that I can put my mini cones. It'll hold up to 50 spools of standard sewing thread, 30 spools of the mini cones. Now on your mini cones of embroidery thread, as long as the spools are about 2 5/16 inches tall or less, they're going to fit in this just fine. So you can keep everything locked up and stored and keep all your items organized. We have free shipping within the lower 48 US on this 5-piece set. Supplies are limited. I only have just a set number of these I was able to get from the fine folks at Koala, but this is a great storage solution for your sewing room.